Brother mfc-9330cdw, drum error. Slide the green tab on the drum. Open the covers up, pull each of the drum units out, lay them on a piece of paper, slide the green tab backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards, and then lock the two arrows against one another like so. Repeat the process on all 4 drums into the red. Backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. Lock it back in. Blue. Backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. There we go. Lock it back together. Backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. Backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. Check the drum surface to make sure there is nothing stuck. If there is, clean it off with a dry, soft cotton cloth. Make sure each of the drums are firmly in. Close the cover. And there we have the drum error gone. If your machine is saying drum end soon or drum replace, you press this button, you press all settings, you press the down arrow until you get to machine info. You choose parts life, and there we have the drums. You touch over here to the panel to make it light up, and then you press the 0 key and hold it for about 10 seconds. No, it must be the hash key. I keep forgetting. Let's try the hash key. And there we go. The reset menu to reset each of the drum lives. And you simply push, say the black, reset drum, you say yes, and then you move on to the next drum. Cyan, reset drum, say yes if you want to reset it, and then you repeat. Then you press the home button to get back to the home screen, and your machine should now be fully functional. That's today's video. Thanks for watching.